Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested. Yes, it's the Four Stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've just read in the newspaper, a Russian spy is killed, yes, shot dead. Not a human being, no, it's a whale, half dolphin. It's a beluga. And yeah, it's trained by the Russians. And yeah, suddenly he's shot dead. Yeah, I think the Russians has shot that animal. A sad story. Anyway. 4-star Sudoku, this will be number 9215. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 24. Well. 24 for 4 stars puzzle. So I'm well pleased. This is 24, not 25 or 26. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 2 3s. We have here 2 4s. We have here 3 5s. We have here 1 6, 2 6s, 3 7s, 4 8. Well, 4 8s. And 3 9s. So the 8s are in majority. Can I start with 8? Yes. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 8. 8 8. 8 8 8. Well, cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about the number? 7 here. 1 1. Well, we have a pair in this big square. 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in this column, so no 5 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 and 8 in the last row. No 5 and 8 on those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 5 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Okay, 6 here. Then, let me see. I need a 1 here. And I need a 7 here. Nope, we have a 7 already. 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 7 there. Well. 3 4. No, 3 4. Okay. How about need a 1 here? Need a 2 there. 5 5. Need a 5 there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 6 should be there. Need a 9 here. 2 here, need a 2 there. Well, we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. In the first column, we have 4 missing numbers. two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have 2 and a 9 in this column, so no 2 and 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, and a 9 in the second column, so no 2 and 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 9 in this big square goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So what are the other 2 numbers in the first column? The numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. There's a lot of pairs here. 3 missing numbers. Oh wait, yeah. 3, the 1, the 5, and the 4. Well, I need to wait. 8, 8, 8. Come on. Let me see. Need a 5 there. Need 6. Need 6 here. Need 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 3 should be there. So if I eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there then. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. Need a 5 here. Need an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 6. Well, we have a triplet here. 6 missing numbers in this big square. Those 3 missing numbers are the 6 and the 7 and the 3. We have a 6 and a 7 and a 3 in this row. So no 6, 7 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. 6, 7 and a 3 goes in those 3 boxes. 6, 7 and 3, 6, 7 and 3, and 6, 7 and 3. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, 2 is missing, the 3, 4, the 4 is missing, 2, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, and look, we have 4 and a 9 in this column, so no 4 and 9 in this box. 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2 then. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. So the 6 and the 7 are left, 6 and the 7, we have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row, 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this here, let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. Oh, I've placed the 7 here, so this should be the 6 and the 3. 6 and the 3, okay. 1, 1. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 2 there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 9. Then yeah. Come on. Need a 7. Need a 7 here or there. Well, 2, 6, 5, 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, third row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And then, let me see, 1, 6, 2, 3, 1, 4, I need a 2, no, 5, 5, 5, 1, 4, and I need an 8 here. Yeah, I need an 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the only two places left for the 8, could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 there, 9, 4, and I need a 5 here. Well, in this column we need a 5. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. So the only place left the 5 should be there. So the 9 and the 4 are left. In this middle column we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Here the other two should be the 1 and a 5. Alright, 5 and 8. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So here the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. And the other 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7. And look, we have 4 and a 7 in this row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place left of 3 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the last row for numbers. 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes in there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Here, 2 and a 9 are left. 2 and a 9 in this row. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 now in this first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes in there. Then 2 numbers left in this row, the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Then. Let me see. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column, the 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3, 7, and 9. Then 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then Then 2 numbers left in this row, second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Oh wait, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7, we have 3 now in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.